Are you ready for a night of fun, sassy, smoking hot burlesque? Well, Slow Tease is at it again. Join them for a night of hot burlesque dance and variety acts as Slow Tease presents Darkness. This show promises to tease, titillate, torment, and tempt you on Friday, September 30th and Saturday, October 1st. Doors open at 7 p.m. Show starts at 8. The amazing Sidecar Cocktail Company will be pouring beer and cocktails during this show, and all profits from the bar will be donated to the cancer support community of the California Central Coast. Research shows that the type of programs offered by the cancer support community improve quality of life and may increase the potential of long-term survival for cancer patients. Slow Tease is proud to support this wonderful cause. Go see the show Friday, September 30th and Saturday, October 1st in Los Osos at the South Bay Community Center. Doors open at 7, show starts at 8. Advanced ticket sales only. For tickets and info, visit slowteaseburlesque.com/tickets or find them on Facebook at facebook.com/SLOTease.